Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing video. We are looking at the new live-action version of Disney's Aladdin, and you can kind of see my review copy did get a little bit dented in transit, but this is the exterior of the slipcover, and so you will notice there is kind of a gold shimmer accent to the title. That is embossed. The rest of it is flat, but this is a really nice cover. I do like the artwork that they've done. There is a sticker that advertises that you can get bonus features such as bloopers and deleted scenes, and that your digital copy is through Movies Anywhere. This is a multi-screen edition, so it includes Blu-ray, DVD, and your digital code. The spine of it does have a purple border. Both sides feature Will Smith as the genie, which is a little bit interesting because the front cover features Will Smith when he's genie incognito is kind of the best way to describe him. He's like this for most of the film, but we do get Blue Genie on the side, and Blue Genie is actually the only character featured on the back side. It does highlight several of the bonus features, and I have actually seen these all already. They released the digital HD copy. I reviewed that for Laughing Place, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to go check that out. I go in depth on all of the bonus features, which are all included here on the Blu-ray disc as well. But the back of the box specifically calls out deleted scenes, bloopers, a deleted song called Desert Moon, and the behind-the-scenes look at the magic of Aladdin, which kind of on the box makes it sound like there's a full feature making of, and that's not the case. What you get are several of the actors' kind of video journals. Through that, you do get to see a lot of the behind-the-scenes process of how this was made. So you'll get to see kind of the way they did the magic carpet was really cool. It was like this big foam pad on all these little metal pistons, and then on that they could make it kind of flow just like a magic carpet would. Mena Massoud, I hope I pronounced that correctly, but his video journal takes you behind the production of Friend Like Me, A Whole New World, and Prince Ali. And then Naomi Campbell's goes really in depth in how they filmed Speechless. There's a whole bonus feature about the song Speechless that includes Alan Menken, Benj Pasek, talking about what the song was inspired by. It's inspired by a specific line of dialogue from the animated feature, and I didn't notice that. It's a line that Jafar says. And then also how they shot the song in one shoot. That was really interesting to see. You get to see the behind-the-scenes footage of the camera operators trying to run around Jasmine and then get out of the way so that nobody else is in the shot when they do a complete circle. All very intricate, really cool stuff. There's just not a full-length making of feature. There also isn't a commentary. So it'll take you about an hour to get through all the bonus features, including the deleted scenes. There are quite a few of those. Some of them are really short. Some of them are up to 5 minutes. That deleted song that's mentioned is actually a really good song, and I can't fathom why it was cut out. It's only 2 minutes long. It doesn't seem like it would have slowed down the story, but it's not my call to make. So taking it out of the slipcover, we do have the similar artwork repeated underneath. There it is on the back. And then we'll open it up and take a look at the discs, which I'm expecting to be boring blue and gray. All right, so inside there, I'm going to cover up the code because I might need that. There is the Blu-ray disc. It is a Movies Anywhere digital copy code that advertises that you get a exclusive bonus feature with the digital. So I sort of lied when I said every bonus feature that's on the digital will be on the disc. The one that's missing is that bonus feature about Speechless. So you have to redeem your digital copy in order to watch that. And then we also have a promo for the Disney Movie Club. I would imagine that in the future, Disney Movie Club, knowing what we know about Disney Plus now, the days might be numbered, or maybe the flyer will switch to a Disney Plus flyer in the near future. So there's the DVD disc in addition to the Blu-ray. All of the contents on the Blu-ray disc. DVD discs typically for Disney nowadays are no bonus features, just the film itself. But it's almost becoming less necessary. Originally, I think they were doing these DVD combo packs because a lot of people had DVD players in the car. Now, I think that's pretty uncommon. You just have your iPads, you download a movie through the digital copy that comes. So expect maybe the DVD combo packs to disappear in the post-Disney Plus era as well. So that's the upcoming live-action Aladdin Blu-ray release. It's going to hit store shelves on Tuesday, September 10th, so this is an early review copy. Again, look in the link in the bio below if you want to read about the digital copy, which is going to include all these bonus features plus that speechless one with more information. And then also on the same day, fans of the classic animated release, they're going to re-release that through the Walt Disney Signature Collection. It'll be available on the Blu-ray DVD digital combo pack, and it's also making its debut in 4K, so look for that as well if you're a fan of the original animated classics. This version of Aladdin is also being released on 4K, but for review purposes, Disney was nice enough to send us the Blu-ray DVD digital HD combo pack. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.